Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the alignment of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now we are by Mesbah Gardens, and this is where the new section of the highway lines up with the existing section. So they built a new road going through the hill by Mesbah Gardens. It starts by Mesbah Gardens, and this straight ahead is the existing road that was upgraded to 4 lanes. So they are going to join the existing road to the new road that comes through the hill. And it had confused a lot of people because a lot of people thought there was misalignment, because that barricade on the left, that Jersey barrier on the left, is actually the edge of the highway, and that material you see there is for them to use to dump up the road. So we're going to show you the other side. Okay, so what you're looking at now is a new road that goes through the hill, and to the left, that's the old main road. And if you see where the Jersey barrier is, it appeared as if it lined up more with the one on the left, which is the edge. But this road has to come all the way over here. Now, where you see that Albion Heights sign, it has to be removed because it's 2 lanes that has to come all the way around. So they are actually dumping up the land now so that the road can come through. Now, I don't know why it took them so long. So that sign where you say Albion Heights, the road is actually going to run along there. It's very strange that they decided to wait till the last minute, because this highway should have finished a long time ago to deal with this section. Okay, so as we back up now, you see where you see that dirt on the left? That's where the excavator was in one of the previous videos. So the road is actually going to go on that dirt track you see there. And the material that we pointed out earlier, that's on the right, is what they're going to use to dump up that spot where you see the dirt on the left. So the road is actually, that material there on the right is going to be used on the left side where the dirt is, to dump up the road. Because you notice, like when the bus, there's an incline. So this is the Jersey barrier that separates the road, the one on the left that the bus is passing. The one on the right is for the edge of the highway. But if you look at it here, the one on the right that's at the edge more lines up with the one from the area on the other side of the video, at the top of the video. So that's what confused a lot of people, thinking that the highway was going to run where you have the material on the right. I mean, that, when looking at it, would have been the more logical route. Well, I shouldn't say logical because I'm not an engineer, but that would have been more, looking at it like that, it would have been, I could see where people got confused. But out here now, that Jersey barrier there is where that separates both sides of the highway. So the highway is going to go left and come around. Now we're going to show it to you from another angle now. We're actually going to go on the side of Mesbah Gardens and show you from the other side. But here you can see everything has been cleared, because on the left is where the road is, 2 lanes of the road is going to be. And where that car is driving, that's where the other 2 lanes is going to be. Now, I have no idea why they waited till the last minute to do this. I don't know if it's a last minute addition or if something was changed, but we're going to try and find out, because it's very strange that they would leave this until now and not clear the land before. But nonetheless, that is the alignment that the highway is going to take. It's going to come straight down, and 2 lanes where that white car is, and 2 lanes where that dirt, where the dirt is over there on the left. and it will join back up to the other side. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll give you weekly videos on this project until it's finished. Alright guys, have a good day.